these thumbnails were created using CapCut, and I'll be showing you how you can be able to use CapCut to create active thumbnail. And CapCut is also what I use to create the thumbnail of this video. CapCut, a lot of people think CapCut can only be used for video editing and all that, but they don't know that you can also use it to create a thumbnail, and I'll be showing you how you can do that. First, you need to go to Play Store to download the app called CapCut. After searching for it, then you download it. When you download it, the next thing you have to do, you have to click on open to open the application. When you open it, then this is how you're going to create the thumbnail, which I'll be showing you. Next thing is to open the application. When you open the application, then you come to new project. When you click on new project, then you select the image which you want to use to create the thumbnail. Over here I'll be selecting 3 images which you can see on your screen. After selecting the images, then I'll show you how you can now convert these images to a thumbnail. And so as you can see, these are the 3 images which we're going to be using: the first, the second, and the third. Then the next thing you do, you select the picture, you come down, you see cut out, then you come to remove background. You can see the background as we remove. Then we'll come to the second one, we do the same thing, remove background. Then the next thing we have to do is that we'll come down once more, select the image, then come to overlay. The overlay does what it does is that it brings the image down. Then we'll also do the same thing for the other image. We'll be using one as the main background picture, then we'll be using the other ones as an overlay. Then what you do is that we drag the images which we've removed the background from them. We'll drag both image, we'll drag it down. When you drag it down, then this is how it will look like. Then all you need to do is to just do some adjustments. That's by reducing the size of the image, then reposition it to where you want it to be fixed. As you can see, this is how it looks like. One of the image is being used as the main background, while the other ones are being used as overlay. It can go either ways, you can use it anyway. This is how, as you can see, I've adjusted all images. This is how it looks like. Then the next thing we have to do after doing that, then we can also add a text, even add an effect to the text. As you can see on your screen, I will be typing fully charged as a text. Then with this CapCut, it also has some nice effect. After typing fully charged in 12 minutes, then we also have some effect which is on the text. You can either make it bold, come to stroke, or you come to fonts. You can change the fonts. As you can see on your screen, I've selected the font and you can see how it's been changed. You can select a font and a style and an effect on it. But for today we'll be dealing with the font. As you can see on your screen, the font has been selected. You can either write whatsoever you want to write as a text, which I've written, and I'm adding an emoji to the text. As you can see on your screen, as you can see, I've added an emoji. Then I'm done. Then the next thing you have to do after creating this is that you go to screenshot. You have to screenshot the image. As you can see, I've clicked on screenshot. After clicking on screenshot, the image has been captured. Then the next thing I'll do is that I'll close the application. Then I'll come to YouTube Studio. That's the application, that's the YouTube application. I'll come to YouTube Studio because I want to upload the thumbnail which I've created. I select the video in which I want to use the thumbnail on. Then as you can see, I'm searching, I've gotten a video which I want to use. Then I'll come to edit. You can see it has change or select whatsoever. Then I'll just select the image. As you can see, the image, the thumbnail that I created has been used as a thumbnail for my video. So it's as simple as this. I can decide to save it or discard it, but I'm not saving it because I'm not using this thumbnail for the video, so I just discard it. So this is how you create a thumbnail using CapCut application. It's as simple as ABC. All you need to do is to just follow the footstep which I've showed you. Thank you for watching, and please, if you like this video, click on the description to watch more of my videos. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. And before you do that, please don't forget to click on the like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to